Okay. We in Amanda's room. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Amanda. What?
Say what's that?
Damn. It's me. Them. And me. Keep it low. But anyway. Oh my god, it was so funny when I was laughing. Wasn't it? Wasn't it? Wasn't it?
No.
Yeah. Yeah. I wish there was a place that we could put it. That's a deal. Sure, all of it. As in one big happy family.
My mom just said the movie got her, so she'll be home.
She gonna be home when?
Maybe 15 minutes.
Okay. Go. Go, go. Go, yeah. Go, me.
Do you have ketchup and mustard? Yes. Can I go make a ketchup and mustard sandwich? If you want.
She wanna be done. No, bruh. Oh, wait.
Do you want to go eat something?
Yeah.